Hello, and welcome back to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today, we're going to be doing a guided meditation that is aimed towards increasing your energy and your motivation. So welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Shannon and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, tools, and opportunities to practice incorporating crystal healing into your everyday life. And these guided meditations are an opportunity for you to practice working with a crystal or gemstone when you need it. So if you need more energy, then this is an opportunity for you to practice working with a gemstone to help you gain more physical energy during the day. If you're new to the channel and you like these videos, or you've been watching for a while and you haven't subscribed, then please do subscribe to the channel. I post 4 videos a week about how you can incorporate crystals and gemstones into your practical life situations. And today, this meditation is all about boosting your physical energy and your get up and go and your motivation to get things done. This is a really helpful meditation if you had trouble sleeping the night before and you get up and you're having a lot of difficulties getting yourself together in the morning to go to work or to sit down at your computer and start work if you work from home. It's excellent if you get hit by that afternoon slump about, 2, 3 in the afternoon when you're starting to feel like this would be a great time for a nap. Or if you've been working on a project for a really long time and you're losing that enthusiasm for it, you don't have a lot of excitement about it and you don't really want to dig into it, then this is a meditation to help stoke your inner fires, to wake you up, to get you going. You don't need a gemstone to benefit from this meditation, but it is a crystal meditation. So if you are looking for some of the gemstones that can help you boost energy, then for this guided meditation, ones that are helpful are Sunstone, red Jasper, Carnelian, and fire quartz. And I'll have these listed in the description below. And today I'm working with red Jasper because that's my go-to boost energy and motivation stone. So if you do have a gemstone you'd like to use, then make sure to have that near you for the meditation. And the only other thing that you'll need for this guided meditation is a comfortable seat. And that can be on a cushion on the floor, in a chair, or sitting on the ground outside under that bright, stimulating sunshine, if it's sunshiny today. So if you have your gemstone and your comfortable seat and you're ready to get started, then I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. You may be feeling tired or sleepy right now, and closing your eyes makes you feel a little sleepier, but don't worry. We will be fanning the fire. Bring your attention to how it feels to breathe right now. Whichever gemstone that you have chosen for today, then place that in your non-dominant hand. This is your receiving hand and will receive the benefits from the gemstone today. And bring your attention to those places on your body that connect to the cushion or chair or floor beneath you, and feel that solid, firm connection to the ground. And know that you are supported by the entire earth. And you have access to all of its energy. So you will be supported and protected during this guided meditation today. And bring your attention to your body and your mind. And how are you feeling right now? If you're feeling lethargic or unmotivated, is it because you're physically tired or you lack motivation? Then picture a candle flame in your mind, hovering right in front of you. And watch it burn and flicker. And imagine that the energy from the earth is floating up through the earth and up into your body and filling you completely as you watch this candle flame burn. And imagine that candle flame is a little bit bigger and taller. It's burning more fiercely. And you're taking in more energy from the earth. And this candle flame, it transforms into a burning torch in front of you with a bigger flame. And this torch, it transforms into a campfire sitting in front of you, with lots of logs and fuel, and it burns high. Imagine how high the flames are burning in this campfire. Can you feel the warmth start to emit from this fire? As you're filling with more earth energy. campfire, it turns into a bonfire that is large and raging in front of you. Now you can easily feel the warmth and the heat from that bonfire. And the flames, they whip taller than you. And as you feel that heat, you're just absorbing the fire, the energy from this bonfire up from the earth. And it lifts your physical energy and your mood and your motivation and your stimulation. And sit for a minute just absorbing all of this power from the earth, from the fire. And then you can release the image of the bonfire and release that connection then to the earth energy, and know that you're holding still all of this energy for the day ahead, the afternoon ahead, for the project you're about to start. Just come back to your breathing. And when you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for sitting with me today to experience this boosting energy guided meditation. And I hope that you're feeling a lot more awake and alive and ready to go. And if you are new to this channel, then I post 4 videos a week about crystals and gemstones, but I post about a new gemstone every single week so that you really get to learn about a wide variety of gemstones and all of the ways that they can support you in your everyday life situation. So if you've been watching for a while, or you're new to the channel and you don't want to miss any more, then make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you again next week. Thanks.